So you want to go viral on YouTube, do you? YouTube Shorts in particular? Yeah, I understand. I went viral. Big deal. Whatever. Anyway, I'm not a big creator. I'm not anything special. I'm not something to write home to your mom about. But I did have a YouTube short that went viral. It went very viral for me. It got 1.7 million views. So if you would like to know what I did, I'm just going to share everything that I did to make that view go viral. And it literally doubled my subscriber account. And I made a decent amount of money off of that. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about that and let you know what I did so you can implement that into your creations. Okay, so the video that I made falls under the YouTube reactions category. I remixed a video from Whistling Diesel of him destroying Harrison Neville's Nike Air Mags. If you'd like to go check it out, just go look at my YouTube shorts. It should be the first one up there. If you just sort it by popular, it's the most popular one. And I'm gonna share a little bit of the analytics, how much money I made, how the views kept growing, and how this worked for me. If you want to go check out that video, just go to my shorts page. So I'm here in my YouTube analytics right now, and from this video, I have grown to 2,486 subscribers. I was only at 1,200 subscribers, and that took me a year to get to. It took me from November of 2021 to November of 2022 to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I had grown 200 until the time I posted this video. So this video, in less than a month, has doubled my subscribers. From this video alone, I have made $152.62, which is pretty cool. It helps if your channel is monetized. So if you have the 4,000 watch hours and if you have at least 1,000 subscribers and have signed up for the YouTube Partner Program. Anyway, if you're monetized, you know how it goes. And if you're working to get monetized, maybe you could try this tactic to gain some subscribers. So essentially what I did was I took Whistling Diesel's video, I cut it down into bite-sized sections that are very clippable, that are the most controversial parts. I'm a sneaker YouTuber for the most part, and he destroyed a pair of $35,000 sneakers. So I just cut those down, reacted to each thing that he did to the shoe. I recorded my voice over it, just being like, oh my gosh, he did this. And then I asked the question at the end, is this disrespectful? In my personal opinion, it's not disrespectful. I just asked this question because ending a short with a question immediately opens the gateway for people to go into the comments and comment, is this disrespectful? Yes or no? I also noticed that the more engagement the video has, the more it gets promoted, the more views it kept getting. So anytime that video got a comment, I would go in and like every single comment, whether it was a comment I liked or I didn't like or I disagreed with. Some people even roasted me, or like, you called this wrong because he uses like some heavy equipment in it, like excavators, and I called something a steamroller. I still don't know what it is. It looks like a steamroller, but whatever. People roasted me in the comments for that, but hey, more comments, more engagement. Go in, like every comment, comment back, because that shows more engagement on your video, so YouTube will keep promoting it and it'll keep getting you views. So remixing this video really helped me, and YouTube promotes it. In the monetization section of this video, there was no copyright issues, no copyright infringement, no copyright claims or strikes. So it's totally fine to do this. Just don't completely steal their whole video and post it to your channel. You have to remix it in your own way because it falls under a reaction category, and remixing YouTube videos is a thing. It's an option to literally remix other people's shorts. I did this, it worked for me. Go watch that video. You'll see what I did to give you an idea. And if there's any other creators that you could do this to, I highly recommend it. And if you're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, this is a great way. Implement it yourself. And if you do already have over 1,000 subscribers, maybe you can do this and get paid. That's what I did. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you are one of the subscribers that I gained off the Whistling Diesel video, thank you for being here. And I definitely have some more videos coming soon. Not all sneaker content related, because I want to grow my audience outside of that. And I look forward to making more content and growing as a creator. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, viewing, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next video.